let's know about the various portfolios allocated to Union Council of Ministers. Narendra Modi will be the Prime Minister for third term and also in charge of Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Space, all important policy issues and portfolio not held by any other minister. Ministry of Defence has been allocated to Mr. Rajnath Singh. Ministry of Finance as well as Ministry of Corporate Affairs have been allocated to Ms. Nirmala Sitharaman. Mr. Amit Shah has been allocated Ministry of Home Affairs as well as Ministry of Cooperation. Jagat Prakash Nadda has been allocated Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Ministry of Road, Transport and Highways has been allocated to Nitin Gadkari ji. Manohar Lal Khattar has been allocated Ministry of Power as well as Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare has been allocated to Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Ministry of External Affairs has been allocated to Dr. Subramaniam Jaishankar. H.D. Kumarswamy has been allocated Ministry of Steel as well as Ministry of Heavy Industries, and Piyush Goyal will be having Ministry of Commerce and Industries. Dharmendra Pradhan has been allocated Ministry of Education. Virendra Kumar has been allocated Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Jitan Ram Manji has been allocated Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Rajiv Ranjan Singh has been allocated Ministry of Panchayati Raj and Ministry of Fisheries and Animal Husbandry. Mr. Sarab Nanda Sonowal has been allocated Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. Ashwini Vaishnav has been allocated Ministry of Railways and Ministry of Information and Broadcasting as well as Ministry of Electronics and IT. Bhupendra Yadav has been allocated Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Gajendra Singh Shekhawat has been allocated Ministry of Tourism as well as Ministry of Culture. Annapurna Devi has been allocated Ministry of Women and Child Development. Kiran Rijiju has been allocated Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs as well as Ministry of Minority Affairs. K. Ram Mohan Naidu has been allocated Ministry of Civil Aviation. Prahlad Joshi has been allocated Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution as well as Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Jwal Oram has been allocated Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Giriraj Singh has been allocated Ministry of Textile. Jyotiraditya Scindia has been allocated Ministry of Communication as well as Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region. Hardeep Singh Puri has been allocated Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Mansukh Mandavia has been allocated Ministry of Labour and Employment and Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. G. Kishan Reddy has been allocated Ministry of Mines as well as Ministry of Coal. Chirag Paswan has been allocated Ministry of Food Processing Industries, and C.R. Patil has been allocated Ministry of Jal Shakti. So that was all. Thank you.